Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad, create a new plane, pocket, polar pattern, fillet, and thickness. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a square with 120 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 19.4 millimeters of radius. So open the FreeCAD and go to create a sketch, select the top plane, and here select the center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 120 by 120 millimeters, and go to fillet, make a fillet in the corners. Just select the both lines, okay? And go to constraint, select equal. Select this arc and this one, this arc and this one, this arc and this one. And go to dimension. The radius here is 19.4 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Now we need to extrude this. And the extrusion has 50 millimeters of length. And we will have a taper angle. So the angle here will be 10 degrees. Okay, only this side here. We have 20, but this angle is between this face and this face here. So we use 10 degrees here. So go to pad, select this profile, the length 50 millimeters, the taper angle 10 degrees. But here we need to use minus 10 degrees and press OK. We made this. We needed to create the fillet in the sketch, in this exercise, because look that the fillet here is different from the fillet here, okay? So if you try to extrude and then make the fillet, it will be wrong. And the next thing that we need to create, we will create a new plane. The new plane will be in this face here. So the distance between the bottom face and this new plane is 13 millimeters. So select the bottom face, click here in the bottom face, and go to datum plane, and in the Z direction, minus 13 millimeters. Okay, we made this new plane. Now select this new plane and go to create a sketch. Active the toggle section view. And in this new plane, we will create this rectangle here, this square, sorry. This square has 7 by 7 millimeters. And in the corners, we'll make a fillet with 5 millimeters, okay? So go to center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 7 by 7 millimeters, and go to fillet, make a fillet here. We will create the fillet in the sketch because we will extrude this with taper angle, okay? And go to constraint, select equal, make all this arc equal with the same radius. And go to dimension. The radius here is 5 millimeters. Okay. And leave the sketch. And now go to pocket. We will create a cut here. The length 50 millimeters. And the angle will be this 10 degrees in this side. Okay. So the taper angle here, 10 degrees. And press OK. We made this one. You can hide this datum plane here. Okay. And now we will create this cut. So here we have a circle here with 7.5 millimeters. of radius, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here is 50 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane or the front plane, no problem. And go to toggle section view and select a circle. Make a circle here and this horizontal line and this center line. And the radius here is 7.5, so the diameter is 15 millimeters. And go to dimension, select the center of the circle. The distance here is 50 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Go to pocket. The type here is selected through all and press OK. Now we need to create this pocket in the other direction. So to make this, we use the polar pattern. So go to polar pattern and select transform tool shapes and select add features. Select this face. This face is the pocket and the occurrence here is 4. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make the fillets and this sketch. The fillet here in the top face is 1 millimeters. So go to fillet, select it, go to fillet, and here select all the top faces here. And the radius 1 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now we have a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to fillet, select this edge here or this edge here. The radius 5 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters. So here we use the thickness. So go to thickness and select the bottom face. The thickness here 2 millimeters. And the joint type, select intersection and press OK. We made this one. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.